So, hold on, I guess somebody pulled up here. I'll be right back.
There we go. Yeah, I don't like the Gashas. The Gashas are a little bit trash, if you ask me. Not fun. Oh, that sound. uh, uh, let's see, what gonna lie. That got me marginally closer to the T80U. Oh, yes! I spaded the T80B. What's left of spade? This. Oh, fuck. I don't see. There's a 288 right there. And there's a 288 right there. At least that's what I'm guessing. Yeah, no, 288, like, I firmly believe that GU 288s should get their own fucking game mode where they can fuck up the matchmaker all on their own. And everyone just brings out 288s, and they just all have fun doing 288 things all together, and they all circle jerk each other off for being incredible pilots that only fly 288s. Like, that should be a game mode. And, like, you know, just separate it entirely from the rest of the game, because, like, this is awful. Like, look at it. It's 4 288s. What is my team supposed to do against 4 288s? There are no fighters to fight, no dogfight with, which is what I want to do. That's why I play ARB, because I want to fucking shoot down planes that are like trying to shoot me down. That's the most fun. I don't want to chase some dude with a 20mm 151 in the tail that has like 180 degrees of maneuverability in any direction. The 288 was a mistake. I'm gonna climb after this one. I have ranted about this a lot before, but I'm going to continue to do so because it's stupid and awful, and I hate everything about it. And maybe this isn't a 288. Yeah, the Harrier GR1's a mistake. Oh, look, there's a single Focke-Wulf 190. They have 7 players, and 4 of them are in bombers. I don't actually know what type of rear armament the 177 has. I just know that I want it dead.
Our base is under attack. We must repel the attackers.
You got the P-51D-30? Nice. It's a good plane.
On the enemy. They're winning.
Oh, you guys 20 mils. Wonderful. And I evidently can't catch him in a Tempest Mark V with spaded performance modules. And he's got a crit engine. Man, this is fun. This is tons of fun. Focke-Wulf 190's in a dogfight. Good for him. God, and they're so fucking tanky. Another hit. Thank you, Hispanos, and I'm dead because I'm going slow above him. I got a crit on the 177. Okay, there's a fire. Please kill this fucking 288 fire. I'm gonna burn my engine if I continue to chase him like that.
That sounds like you're having fun.
Oh yeah, I'm playing anything within 6.0 of Germany because, you know, Germany just has 288 spam. Yes, that's another fire. Fucking burn. No! What the fuck? That's 2 fires! How do you survive that?
Apparently you don't.
No, he does! He put it
Oh,
out.
boy.
That's another hit.
If we don't do something fast,
I'm dying for this kill. I don't care. He has... Thank you. I blacked his wing and it did not rip off. There we go. It's a good question. Oh, look, there's a Ta 152 that wanted to have fun. I feel bad for him. There's a 1-9K somewhere? Wow.
And you're flying what?
Tempest Mark 5.
Ooh.
And I've spent the entire game chasing
Hispano
him.
Heavens.
Yep.
Sorry, any plane they want to stick 4 Hispanos in, hey, I'm game.
Yeah?
As long as it ain't that stupid POS Firebrand, I'm happy.
Oh yeah, I don't like that thing. You know, I'm
It's like,
dealing with German bomber spam and it's not very fun. Because that's like apparently a viable tactic in this game nowadays.
well, you remember what my favorite German plane is, right?
No, I don't.
Oh. Well, it starts out with a TA, but it's not a 152.
The T154?
Oh yes,
Really?
the German Mosquito. God, I love that thing.
Oh, don't you lost control on me.
It's a paper mache airplane, but man, does it punch like a freaking mule.
The fuck is it? There it is. Oh. You Jade out. And I have 124 rounds of Hispano, and there's a 177. I have 2 minutes of fuel. It's a 177, 3 kilometers from me. Can I catch it and kill it?
If you dive and get a bunch of speed, you might be able to.
Oh yeah,
If
he's
he's-
slow.
if he-
He's got
if
crit.
he-
He's got at least 1 crit engine, if not 2.
I mean, if he's up high, then you're
No,
probably
he's,
SOL. But
he's at 1,600 meters, and I'm above him. So
oh, there you go.
diving on him. Oh yeah, look at those 20s. Oh, look at you, Mr. 177. Aren't you fancy?
As long as you're not flying up the ass end of a BB-238, you're fine.
Oh, I set him on fire, and I don't think either of his props are spinning, actually. Just die. Please. Thank you. Alright. I'm putting it to 60%. Yeah. And I guess there's the first one has the dedicated
Oh, the
machine
40
gun.
millimeter. Yeah, and the 40 millimeter.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you know,
Just-
not
little
mentioning
bap
the gun. I mean, it's got that same, you know, like awful the machine gun that doesn't do anything.
Or here's an idea for the game. Tetrax gliders. You know, if you ever played Company of Heroes, when you had the British complement, you could call in one of the British gliders that would drop off. It would be a starting point for the little Tetrax skeleton tanks. They could actually land
Oh my
them
god, I
and
finally
drive
got
out
Artie
two
killed.
of them out of each one of the gliders. You know,
I
why not have
finally
one of those
got
in here?
Artie killed.